Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? Right answer is option A. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who has been reappointed as Chairman of Railway Board? Right answer is option C. Satish Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? Right answer is option A. Parag Jain. Who has been appointed as the new Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO? Right answer is option C. V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force? Right answer is option C. Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Who is said to be become the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C. Justice Suryakant. Who has been recently appointed as the new CEO of International Cricket Council? Right answer is option B. Sanjog Gupta. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Right answer is option C. TCA Kalyani. Who will be appointed as the new President of BCCI? Right answer is option C. Mithun Manhas. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force in September 2025? Right answer is option B. Praveer Ranjan. Who has become the first woman and African President of International Olympic Committee? Right answer is option B. Kirsty Coventry. Who has been appointed as the Chairman of National Stock Exchange? Right answer is option B. Srinivas Injeti. Who has been elected as the President of the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Right answer is option A. Annalena Baerbock. Who has been appointed as the President of the FICCI for 2025 to 26? Right answer is option A. Anant Goenka. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police in September 2025? Right answer is option A. Praveen Kumar. Who has been recently elected as the first woman Secretary General of UN World Tourism Organization? Right answer is option B. Sheikha Al-Nowais. Who has been reappointed as Attorney General of India in September 2025? Right answer is option C. R. Venkatarmani. Who has recently become the Chairman of 23rd Law Commission? Right answer is option D. Dinesh Maheshwari. Who has been appointed as the new President of Asian Cricket Council? Right answer is option C. Mohsin Naqvi. Who has taken charge as the Chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Right answer is option B. Harvansh Chawla. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of IRDAI? Right answer is option C, Ajay Seth, who has been appointed as the President of the Confederation of Indian Industries for the term 2025 to 26. Right answer is option A, Rajiv Memani, who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force. Right answer is option C, Sonali Misra, who has been appointed as the Chairman of Indian Banks Association for the next fiscal year. Right answer is option B, Challa Srinivasulu Setty, who has been appointed as the next Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Right answer is option A, Dr. Mangi Lal Jat, who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI. Right answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. Right answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan, who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Advertising Standards Council of India in September 2025. Right answer is option A, Sudhanshu Watts, who has become the first woman CEO and managing director of Hindustan Unilever Limited. Right answer is option B, Priya Nair, who was appointed as the CEO of UIDAI in January 2025. Right answer is option A, Bhuvnesh Kumar. Justice M. Sundar was sworn in as the Chief Justice of which High Court? Right answer is option A, Manipur High Court. Who has been elected as the President of the Athletics Federation of India? Right answer is option C, Bahadur Singh Sagu, who has become the first ever woman union law secretary. Right answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana, who was appointed as a Chief Justice of Bombay High Court in September 2025. Right answer is option C, Justice Sri Chandra Sekhar, who has become the head of the National Security Advisory Board. Right answer is option B, Alok Joshi, who has been appointed as the chairperson of National Commission for Women. Right answer is option A, Vijay Rahatkar, who has been given as 1 year extension as the Chief of Intelligence Bureau in May 2025. Right answer is option C, Tapan Kumar Deka, who has become the chairman of the Bar Council of India. Right answer is option B, Manan Kumar Misra, who has been appointed as a private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Right answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari, who has been recently appointed as the second principal secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Right answer is option A, Shakti Kanta Das. Urjit Patel has been appointed as the executive director at which institution? Right answer is option D, International Monetary Fund, who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Right answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar, who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of ASSOCHAM. Right answer is option C, Manish Singhal, who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority. Right answer is option A, Nitin Gupta, who has been appointed as the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff in August 2025. Right answer is option B, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatasyan, who has been appointed as the Managing Director of Solar Energy Corporation of India. Right answer is option C, Akash Tripathi. India has been elected as a member of which UN body for 2026 to 28 term? Right answer is option D, both B and C, United Nations Human Rights Council and United Nations Economic and Social Council. Who has been appointed as the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Right answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy, who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025. Right answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Mark Carney has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option B, Canada. Who has become the President of the Badminton World Federation? Right answer is option C, Khun Petama. Dr. Rajiv Ranjan has been appointed as the Vice President of which bank? Right answer is option A, New Development Bank. Who has been reappointed as a Director of CBI till May 2026? Right answer is option A, Praveen Sood. Who has been re-elected as a President of the New Development Bank? Right answer is option C, Dilma Rousseff. Who has been elected as the President of the International Big Cat Alliance? Right answer is option D, Bhupendra Yadav. Who has been appointed as the President of ASSOCHAM? Right answer is option C, Nirmal Kumar Minda, who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in October 2025. Right answer is option C, Sirish Chandra Murmu, who has been appointed as the Director of the Botanical Survey of India. Right answer is option C, Kand Das, who has become the Chief of National Crime Records Bureau. Right answer is option A, Alok Ranjan, who has been recently appointed as the head of the Controller General of Defense Accounts. Right answer is option C, Vishwajit Sahai, who has been appointed as a Director General of the Sashastra Seema Bal SSB. If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for updates and notifications.